bo pro abayemagigini ngiyimi ngebox lama CD ngihambise product
So uzoperform uProkid when
yeah,
ama CD.
yeah, ngihambise product.
Yeah.
No, ngasibona no Donald,
Yeah.
same thing. You understand? And at that time I was studying. Then he introduced me to about DJ Sbu, about TK Ngiza. Then I started working with those guys. Bekunyiwa. You understand? Bekunyiwa bo thola ukuthi kunekalawa kune TS record nayiqeda yabona. Yeah, kodwa ngale kuyanyiwa. Ngapha zifast iziphethe nje ama artist nyana ayi-4-5 mara kumele kugijime kumele i-competition enye yomhlaba bagaya amasithi ngintwana gijima eradweni ugayana umuntu bekumele aplug akekho bathi hayi ithi sikufundisa wena ufika uthi uzohlangana nabo bani bagaya amasithi that's it yabona. So it was very difficult because radio is now a different different ball game yabona. So ukwazi abantu ama-compiler, programmers, everybody, you need to like know how to present yourself to those people because they don't have time. Yabona. These are people that have, maybe they get like, I don't know, 20,000 entries of songs that they need to play a day. Yabona. So that was it. So I was introduced to that. 2 minutes. Isigela kahle kahle ngisasizwa nale course engilenzayo manish. Yabona.
Lekuextend isikhathi.
Ngiyabona.
Thathela ukuthi isigela.
Yeah, manje kamerweni icela ama CD yabona. How already liyangena lithi awunkunzi. Umshana wakho uyoza indlulo ilama CD manje wena abophanda lento yama CD iphuma kuwe yabona.